So my people took our Palmwine-Tappers in the Diochi to our central deity and bound them with a covenant. The pact was nobody's going to sell adulterated palm wine anymore. Imagine you are buying palm wine because you don't want to drink Coca-Cola, and then instead of the person that you're buying the palm wine from to just give you palm wine, they will now stick and dilute it. As a result of diluting it, they will now add saccharin or something into your palm wine that you are running from sugar or something, and they're not giving you something that is like, I don't know, 100 times sweeter than sugar or whatever. Now they've held them to a covenant, right? When you now go to the market square, there are less quantities of palm wine automatically. People that will be pulling up with 5 gallons of palm wine or 25 liters of palm wine can just pull up with like 1. Now, I think this brings me back to my previous conclusion and conviction that more is the only way. In this hellfire, right, that we are in, this country, because there are levels of hot in hellfire. Everywhere is not the same level of hot. There are people that are in hellfire inside. But generally in this hellfire, starting from the presidency and Africa, if we want to enforce change, because the only thing bad people are afraid of is death. The only thing an evil person is afraid of is death. Bad people have an irrational fear of death. The only way to prevent a politician from reaping you is to swear them to a deity with the offer of the community's deities, as I said before, of the communities that he will be overseeing when he's given the office.
Hey mama, it be beginning of our story. We'll be birds in love.